कभी स्लीवलेस टॉप या ड्रेस पहना है ओनली टू फील ऑकवर्ड अबाउट रिवीलिंग योर डार्क अंडरआर्म्स? अगर जवाब हाँ है तो ये जान लीजिए कि आप इस मुसीबत में अकेले नहीं हैं। हाय गाइस, मैं हूँ हेली व्यास और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ हाउ टू गेट इवन टोन स्मूथ अंडरआर्म्स। आई नो कि ये हमारे व्यूअर्स की नंबर 1 अंडरआर्म केयर क्वेरी रही है फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम ऑन आवर बी ब्यूटीफुल Instagram and YouTube handles. So here we are today with a video just for you all. Before we get into this video, if you are new to the Be Beautiful platform, then go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Throwing your arms up in the air is so liberating and one of those things you'll catch me doing when I'm having a seriously good time. That's why hiding my underarms is something I never want to have to do. But if you're anything like me and have had to deal with underarm dark marks, you will know it can be a little embarrassing. I know ये problem embarrassing है, but ये बहुत ही common problem है because हमारे underarms की skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive होती है and the friction often leaves the area discolored. पर dark underarms के कितने सारे reasons होते हैं, जैसे कि रॉन्ग शेविंग टेक्निक्स, जिससे अक्सर इरिटेशन और अब्रेशन ट्रिगर हो जाता है, जिससे आपकी स्किन डार्क होने लग जाती है, लैक ऑफ एक्सफोलिएशन, जिससे डेड स्किन सेल्स जमा हो जाते हैं, टाइट क्लोथ्स दैट कॉज फ्रिक्शन, इंक्रीज्ड मेलानिन प्रोडक्शन दैट लीड्स टू हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन। तो चलिए आज कुछ कमांडमेंट्स को फॉलो करने की शपथ लेते हैं ताकि आपके अंडरआर्म्स की स्किन इवन टोन और सॉफ्ट बनी रहे। Yes, your underarms need exfoliation too. Underarm skin को exfoliate करने से skin के surface के ऊपर के dead skin cells निकल जाते हैं. It also helps get rid of bacteria, which when mixed with sweat causes darkening. Plus, exfoliation से underarms के skin की roughness कम हो जाती है, जिससे आपके underarms की skin over time softer होती रहती है. To exfoliate, use a loofah and a body scrub, but be gentle. Use light circular motions to gently exfoliate this delicate area. If you have sensitive skin, you can use your facial cleanser to exfoliate your underarms. I would recommend that you exfoliate your underarm skin 2-3 times a week. I get it. Shaving is the quickest and most pain-free way of getting rid of all your body hair. So I'm not going to tell you to stop even though it does cause underarm dark marks. What I will say though is don't neglect post-shave care. जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही कहा कि अंडरआर्म्स की स्किन बहुत ही सेंसिटिव होती है और शेविंग कैन बी इरिटेटिंग एंड अब्रेसिव फॉर द स्किन। इसीलिए आपको पोस्ट शेविंग केयर का खास ध्यान रखना होगा। Once you're done shaving, rinse off the area and gently pat your armpits dry with a soft, non-abrasive, preferably 100% cotton towel. स्किन को पैट ड्राई करते वक्त बहुत ही जेंटल मोशंस रखें so as to not trigger any friction. Then after that, follow it up with a moisturizing roll-on like the Dove Even Tone Roll-On. I go over the underarm area with about 4 to 5 swipes, wait for it to dry and I'm good to go. This roll-on contains 1/4 moisturizing cream and caring oils which will help keep your skin hydrated and restore underarm skin tone with regular use. Now I'm sure you're wondering कि शेविंग करने के बाद डिओड्रेंट कैसे यूज करें? उसे तो जलन महसूस होगी. Yes, I know, but this one doesn't because it has 0% alcohol and is paraben free. Plus, it has this amazing sweet floral scent that almost feels like you're wearing perfume. So ये deodorant आपकी स्किन को fresh, moisturize और odor free रखेगा for up to 48 hours. So if you do skip a shower on the lazy weekend, you won't need to worry. Armpits are a prime place for bacterial buildup as they are usually warm, moist spots that stay unexposed to air. Hence, if not cleaned often, can lead to bacterial infection which in turn causes brown patches in the underarms. So make sure to shower daily and twice during the summer if you have to. Apart from that, इस delicate area पे friction आसानी से महसूस हो सकता है, which also leads to skin darkening. इसीलिए moisturizing the underarm is super important. Therefore, I highly recommend कि summers में इस roll-on को reapply करें ताकि freshness बनी रहे and at the same time ये roll-on deodorant आपके skin को moisturize रखेगा. Remember, using a regular moisturizer might leave your armpits sticky and you don't want that. Sometimes all you gotta do is let the underarm skin breathe by opting for clothes made from natural fibers, such as cotton or linen. They allow sweat to evaporate faster, so smelly armpits are less likely to develop. Plus, wearing tight clothes creates friction between the folds of your skin and the fabric, which can irritate your skin and lead to underarm darkening. So if you want an easy hack to prevent dark underarms, start by wearing loose cotton clothes. हमेशा डिओड्रेंट सिलेक्ट करते वक्त ऐसा प्रोडक्ट चुनें जो आपको ओडर और स्किन डार्कनिंग दोनों से बचा के रखे। Here is what you need to look out for. Number 1, 0% alcohol. अंडरआर्म एरिया बहुत ही डेलिकेट होता है, especially after shaving. If you use something that has alcohol, then it is going to sting and also cause irritation, which eventually leads to dark marks. So, always opt for a deodorant or roll-on with 0% alcohol. Number 2, no parabens. Now there are many parabens used as preservatives in deodorants and other personal care products, but they can be quite harmful to your skin and body in the long run. So stay clear of products with these ingredients too. Number 3, moisturizing formula. अब जैसे गर्मी बढ़ती जाएगी, underarms are prone to infection, inflammation and allergies, which leads to symptoms such as burning or itching. This eventually leads to pigmentation. इसीलिए, like the rest of your body, your armpits too need a daily dose of moisture so that they retain their natural skin tone and stay soft and nourished. You could pick a deodorant spray or roll-on with these properties. Which one do you generally prefer to use? A deodorant or roll-on? Let me know. As for me, when I'm on the go, I prefer a deodorant spray because it is far easier to apply. It will keep you protected from body odor for a longer period of time. Which brings me to my next product recommendation. This is the Dove Even Tone deodorant in the spray form. Using this spray is like एक तीर से दो निशान. It has 1/4 moisturizing cream and caring oils that will fight stubborn dark underarm spots to give you even-toned underarms. At the same time, it has 0% alcohol and is paraben-free. Plus, this spray has a sweet fragrance to it, so rest assured that even if you're not wearing a perfume, body odor will be in check. It's also much cheaper in comparison to perfumes, so you also end up saving a lot of money. I have added this to my on-the-go beauty pouch, and it has made my life so much easier. I hope you follow these commandments for even-toned underarms because they really worked for me. I have also left the purchasing links of the products I mentioned in the description box below. Do go check them out. If you want to know more about the Dove range of deodorants, yes, they have another variant too. I'm going to link my review in the description box below. Go check that out. पर जाने से पहले मैं जानना चाहती हूँ आप सभी से कि आप अपने अंडरआर्म के स्किन को रीस्टॉक करने के लिए क्या करते हो. Let me know in the comment section. अब we've come to the end of this video and you know what you have to do. बोलो बोलो? Yes, go ahead and like and share this video and subscribe to Be Beautiful. And to stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to ring the bell icon. Until next time, bye.